tingnan mo lang yung sequence sa screen sa naman. So, Uncle, sige, nasayang naman yung mga papuntas ko. We're giving you the attention that you're desperately seeking.
Hi, 안녕하세요. So you're watching this game 14 and we are playing Cheese Thief. So our players for tonight is starting with yours truly, Kento. Number 2 would be Mr. Black, Skiddo Lavino. Number 3, the inevitable Kill Uncle. And number 4 would be the cute Ice Princess.
Wow.
Number 5 is the enemy of all, Noob Ambassador. And number 6, our newest player, Nintendo. So if you want to know who is the thief of this game, keep watching and I will give it back to Sandan.
Yes, thank you very much, Kento. We are playing Cheese Thief with 6 players. Yes, we have Nintendo here playing Cheese Thief for the second time. What happened sa first game? Patuloy nila yung mga videos namin. Check it out, see how she fared. Pero I have already sent the rules to everyone and she already knows this game. Guys, let's start the game. Make your mics on sleep.
Good night!
Everyone wake up.
Everyone wake up.
Wake up. It's time to... Whoop! But someone stole the cheese. Kagabi, someone woke up during his or her shift and stole the cheese. So it's your job to find out who the cheese thief is. Remember, pumili na siya ng follower. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes, catch the cheese thief. Good luck.
Guys, tapos na tong larong to. Okay. I was checking to see the messages kung gagawin akong follower. Pero hindi ako ginawang follower. So, tatlo kaming gumising doon. Tapos, obviously, yung isa
Wait.
siya. Tapos, hindi ako ginawang follower. So, si Ice Princess yung cheese thief.
Thank you!
Ewa, so, I'm sure they're in cahoots together. 3 p.m.
I was gonna ask Nintendo what time she woke up at. Let's see.
Well, I saw the cheese thief. I'm just gonna say it out. So, yeah. I'm sure they're not... Yeah, they're both gonna deny.
Sino kasama mo, Noob Ambassador?
Si Ice Princess tsaka si Kill Uncle. So, I think si Ice Princess made Kill Uncle the follower instead of me. So, yeah.
Okay, so Nintendo, what time did you wake up?
Oh! Sabi nga kayo na, wag ko sabihin kung anong oras ako nagising.
Yes, no.
Yan, tapos ngayon si Skiddo naman yun.
This is Skiddo.
But nakita ko yung cheese thief, guys. So,
I woke up at 1. And I can validate what you've said that
okay ka na? Nailabas mo na yung sama ng loob mo? Okay ka na?
Skiddo, mag-isa ka ng 1.
Matakot to.
Yeah.
Parang ready na si Ice Princess.
Sabi niyo na ba? Sige. Nasabi niyo na ba?
Ready na siya.
Game.
Yung dalawa, mag-campaign dalawa, guys.
I mean, Nintendo, like if the
Skiddo, what do you think?
Among the 3 of them.
Oo, mahirap kasi. Tatlo kasi kaming gumising ng 3.
Yeah, so
mahirap yun.
Mahirap
i-prove. So obviously, hindi ako part ng team ni Kill Uncle at saka ni NA kasi busy ako, nagtitingin ako ng group chat namin.
Okay, so sige. So nagsalita na si NA, nagsalita na si NA is accusing Ice Princess. Ice Princess is accusing who?
Both of you guys.
Kasi
for me,
Ice Princess is accusing me.
Ang case ko is si Kill Uncle yung cheese thief, si NA yung follower. Yun yung case ko.
Okay. So ang case ko,
ako pa naging follower.
Ang case ko, dahil I'll just say it. I saw Noob Ambassador get the cheese. And then obviously pinili niya si Ice Princess as the follower. So it's 2 against 1. So hirap ako dito to convince. But yeah, that's it.
Come on,
that's
guys. Would you believe really, Kill Uncle? Saka sino mas pipiliin ni Ice Princess na follower? Me or Kill Uncle, diba?
I am slightly that I was not chosen as the follower.
Paniwalaan niyo ako, i-revoke ko yung ako yung may sagot ng revoke ni Skiddo sa May 14.
What?
What? Pupunta ka Skiddo sa May 14?
Ano to?
I'm gonna bribe you guys. I'm telling the truth.
Okay. So, Kento.
Akala ko sa politics lang to.
Follower.
Hindi ako piniling follower.
Ang hirap.
Ni Noob Ambassador. So, pinili niya si Ice Princess. So, obviously, Ice Princess will accuse me.
Gumising ako 2 a.m. Meron pang cheese.
Na-bribe ko na kayong lahat, guys.
Yeah.
3 a.m. ko nakita si Noob Ambassador lang. Sinilip ko lang kasi mag-isa ako.
But tama yan. Because he is the cheese thief.
I really woke up at 3 a.m.
Pinili niya si Ice Princess.
Wala nang cheese.
Kento and Shitendo, we have the power right now. We have to vote as one.
To prove your...
The problem is,
tama.
who's the cheesy between the three of them?
Kento, sino-select mo, Kento?
Kill Uncle.
Ikaw, Skito, sino-select mo?
Kill Uncle because like he's sus.
O, diba?
No.
3 a.m. nga kami lahat.
Tatlo kaming 3 a.m. I saw Noob Ambassador get the cheese. And then, wala akong message na ako yung follower. So,
you guys saw me checking the messages. Wala.
Yeah. So, there's no reason for me to...
1 minute left.
Ililibre kita ng milk tea. I-drop mo lang yung case mo.
Wow.
Ayoko na, sinabi mo kasi last time yun, pero ako yung walang nakuha eh.
Hindi ko talaga sinabi.
Sabi niya, ano gusto mo? So, milk tea?
Skiddo.
Tapos wala, ako yung wala.
Para kang itlog talaga
I'm just being selected.
Sabi mo rin, gusto ko rin ba?
I saw him.
Pero makita, hindi ka nag-reply, hindi mo sinabi kung gusto, hindi ka nag-yes.
Hindi ako nag-reply, pero binigyan kita ng
30 seconds
with
left.
pictures
30
pa.
seconds
Ano,
left.
Iba na yung usapan, Skiddo. Sasagutin ko talaga yung
It's just distractions lang to. Noob Ambassador stole the cheese.
Kill Uncle yung
Ice
bad
Princess is
person.
doing all that she can.
Wow!
Of course, that's the follower thing.
Ninakaw na nga ng cheese, ninakaw pa
10
yung milk
seconds
tea na libre.
left.
May financial
Nintendo, it's Noob Ambassador. Maniwala kayo.
I think with the power of the randomizer,
three,
Kill Uncle is bad.
3.
1.
Not this time,
Okay,
not this
that's
time.
it.
Not this
No more discussions.
Not this time.
No more discussions. Tagay ko man yung background ko.
Uncle wants to be voted kasi ano siya, follower.
Okay, so guys, you've had 5 minutes. You are now catching the cheese thief, not the follower, okay? You cannot vote for yourself. You have to vote for someone else. I'm counting you guys down. Sabay-sabay kayo mag-vote. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. Vote. Hold it up. Vote. Hold it up. Okay. 4 people voted for Kill Uncle.
Yes!
Hands down.
Yan, makakapunta na si Skiddo.
Kill Uncle, Ice Princess, and Noob Ambassador did wake up at 3.
Why me?
The cheese thief is
Hindi ka na credible sa game.
No, just kidding. Si Kill Uncle yun. Si Kill Uncle yun.
Grabe ka sa akin.
Good
Kill Uncle, it could have died. It could have voted for Ice Princess.
Kill Uncle was the cheese thief. Nakita nga siya ni Ice Princess and ni Noob Ambassador. Pinili ni Kento. Ni Kill Uncle. Ni KK Games. Dito na ako. Pinili ni Kill Uncle si Noob Ambassador. Good job. You guys caught the cheese thief. Nakakalito nga naman, no?
Did you really catch the cheese thief?
Yes.
But he got the cheese
Naniwala
thief,
sila
right?
sa bribery.
Sige.
I mean,
Did you really catch the cheese thief?
When the ambassador said first, I can see from the face of Ice Prince, like she's like over it, like no, I'm not gonna say anything. Like she's like so mad.
But she really does. She really does forget the libre milk tea part. So, it's really kind of sus. I doubt it. She even asked for a San Masarap dito. I even gave her
taking it outside of the game na po. Kung sino man na may schedule ng 1 o'clock wake up tingin sa camera. Alright, if you are the cheese thief and the cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief at mag-isa ka lang, pick a player. Alright, that's long enough. Looking at whoever woke up at 1 o'clock. Kung sino man may schedule ng 2 o'clock wake up tingin sa camera. If you are the cheese thief, wave, the cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief, pick a player. Alright, that's long enough. Look na kung sino man gumising na. Kung sino man may schedule ng free wake up din sa camera. Alright, if you are the cheese thief, please wave sa camera. The cheese is yours. Pakilala ka. If you're not the cheese thief and you're the only person who woke up, take a play. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na kung sinong gumising ng 3. Kung sino man may schedule ng 4 wake up din sa camera. If you're the cheese thief, please wave sa camera. The cheese is yours. If you're not the cheese thief at mag-isa ka lang, pick a player. Right, huwag na ulit kasi naman gumising ng 4. Lastly, before ko kayong gisingin lahat, cheese thief, wake up cheese thief. Sino ang gagawin natin follower? Sasabihin yung name mo sa kanya, pero sino ang gagawin natin? Pick a player. Noted. Go back to sleep. Cheese thief. Ito, please wrap the game up.
So that's Cheese Thief. And finally, Kill Uncle lost. Just like we all wanted. So if you like this game, if you want to try Cheese Thief, you can join us once we play again this game. And don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe so that you will be updated for more BS Games Philippines video. So that is for this game. I am saying goodbye, Kento.
Bye, Kento.
Bye, Kento.